Was a natural mystic flowing through the air. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. Things are not the way they used to be. Don't tell no lie. One more got to face reality now. No one tries to find the answer to all the questions they ask. No one knows it's impossible. Go living